I have already an account on Squad Help, but if you don't have one, you can easily create and you can choose to join as a creative or marketplace seller. I want to inform you that you need to pay a one-time fee of $10 if you want to submit names in Squad Help contest. After you join and pay the one-time fee, you can ask for a refund within 7 days if you don't enjoy the process of submitting names. Let's see now the interface. You will click Dashboard on top right, and on your left side you will choose Contests and choose Active Contests. From the left I will choose naming and taglines because I'm not a logo designer. I will choose one to join. I need to be eligible to enter. And of course, if you are good and you get likes from contest holders, then you will get an upgrade and you will be able to submit more names and to more contests. Before I submit my entry, I need to read the brief so I can be more familiar of what the client asks for, and I need to check for any recent message that can provide me more guidelines. Let's submit an entry. We can even choose premium domains from the ones that are already existing in Squad Help Marketplace in case we don't have some ideas. You can also write a description, but it is optional. I will submit, and then I can see my entry here. Of course, if you get a bad grade from the contest holder, you can withdraw and try again. Depending of your level, you may submit up to 3 entries. And eventually, as you become more experienced, you probably be able to submit more entries. Also, if you receive one high rating, low for like, you will be able to submit additional entries for the contest. That's all from me. Bye.